Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Morning and night, clean teeth. Wash your hands with soap and water. Clean hands are good. When you ask, say please. Good manners, please. Say thank you, yes you do. Thank you is a good habit. Playtime done, clean up toys. Put them in the box. Share your toys with friends. Sharing makes us happy.
When you cough, cover your mouth. Good job, baby. Eat fruits and veggies. Grow strong and healthy.
Put trash in the bin. Keep it clean. Say hello to elders. Good morning.
Use tissue to wipe your nose nice and clean.
Wait your turn in line. Good waiting.
Listen to the teacher. Good listening.
Help mommy and daddy. Good habit. Wear your shoes. Let's go out.
Hold hands and walk. Be safe on the road.
Brush your teeth. It's bedtime.
Gentle